What is the effective way to keep hands safe in current pandemic? According to Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), the best way to prevent the spread of infections and decrease the risk of getting sick is by washing hands with plain soap and water. Washing for at least 20 seconds. Washing after going to the bathroom, before eating, and after coughing, sneezing, or blowing one's nose. CDC recommends washing hands with soap and water whenever possible because hand washing reduces the amounts of all types of germs and chemicals on hands. Some hand sanitizers contain methanol. Can methanol-based sanitizers be used? Methanol-based sanitizers are harmful. According to Dr. William Banner, Medical Director of the Oklahoma Center for Poison and Drug Information and a past president of the American Association of Poison Control Centers, even if only applied to the skin, methanol can be absorbed and cause severe illness and nerve damage. Which hand sanitizers are safe? Ethyl alcohol-based hand sanitizers are safe when used as directed. They have to be used externally and cannot be taken orally. Even they also cannot be used for long or continuously. What are the limitations or disadvantage of ethanol sanitizers? Sanitizers might not remove dirt, harmful chemicals like pesticides and heavy metals from hands. They cannot be used for long or in excessive quantities because of side effects such as skin irritation, itching, rashes, etc. Long exposure to these alcohol-based sanitizer vapors can cause respiratory issues, eye irritation, nausea, vomiting, and other toxic effects. According to CDC, in one study, people who reported using hand sanitizer only to clean hands had increased levels of pesticides in their bodies. Therefore, it is better to use soap water for cleaning hands. Which is better, hand sanitizer or hand washing with soap? Soap water is more effective than hand sanitizers at removing certain kinds of germs like Cryptosporidium, norovirus, and Clostridium difficile, says CDC. Particularly, alcohol-based sanitizers become ineffective when there is dirt on the hands. The following points can be helpful. Hand sanitizer is flammable and should be stored away from heat or flame. Do not get exposed to alcohol-based sanitizers in closed spaces. Do not store these volatile sanitizers in places like cars, particularly in hot weather, as they can catch fire. Avoid excessive uses of hand sanitizers. Prefer soap water often. Hand sanitizers cannot be ingested orally as it is lethal. It is not a good idea to use alcohol-based sanitizers during food preparation and handling. Washing hands with soap water is the best way before making or serving or handling food. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our channel.